Stop competing. Start helping each other. Do you compete instead of helping each other at work? When you work with your partner, it's easy to feel na kailangan mong patunayan na you are good as well. Kaya ko rin yan. Hindi lang ikaw ang marunong. Ako nga ang nag-invest ng more money sa business na to. Nako, Hazel and Matthew had this problem in their 3-year-old laundry business. Whenever a customer would walk in and enter their laundry shop, they both rushed to help. Ako na, Hazel would say. Ako na kaya, Matthew would insist. Then they both tried helping the same customer and ended up bumping into each other. Or when they're training their 4 helpers, both of them give different instructions. Yung mga helpers nila, hindi na alam kung sino ang susundin. And they realized they were acting like enemies, hindi partners. You don't have to be good at the same things, sabi ko sa kanila. Remember, teamwork does not mean duplicating roles. It means using what you are best at. Ito ang nagbago sa lahat ng bagay between the two of them. Hazel started to take over customer service, marketing the laundry shop sa neighborhood, managing social media, and training helpers on customer handling. She is friendly at magaling makipag-usap. Si Matthew naman nag-take over ng operations, machine maintenance, managing supplies, scheduling pickups and deliveries, and training helpers on laundry processes. You see, he is systematic and good with technical stuff. And suddenly, nung nangyari yon, things became faster. Walang away, walang double work, and each of them did what they're good at. Now, ito yung best part. Yung kanilang 4 na helpers became more productive because they had clear instructions from one person lang for their specific tasks. Kaya ito yung lesson, anak. You don't need someone exactly like you. You need someone who can do what you cannot. Kaya stop trying to prove that you can do what your partner does. Instead, be proud that what you can do best. Your relationship actually will thank you for it. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.